Hello guys, we are Gentway, sanding machine manufacturer, sanding solution supplier. Now we are standing at the workshop of Gentway. Today, I would like to bring you our SGJ series wide belt sander. This series machine is our popular type for more than 25 years. Until today, it continues flourish due to dozens of technology upgrades. The square-shaped outlook is classic. In front of the machine is the control panel. The start and stop button with light indicator. When you start the abrasive belt, the indicator light will be on for your safety attention. This thickness controller is made in Taiwan and brand ETEK can do accurate measurement with stable quality and longer service life. This is the feeding table. It's welded by steel plates. The surface is fine machined to achieve a mirror finishing, combined with rubber to ensure a high precision and high stability feeding. I'm sure the inside working units are going to impress you. Open the door. We can see 3 working units, 2 sanding ruler head and 1 combination head. The 2 sanding rulers are with eccentric shaft and diameter 240 mm. The operator can micro-adjust the sanding ruler position up or down by rotating the eccentric shaft. It's simple and stable. The ruler inner side and outer side are both processed by CNC milling machine. The performance of dynamic test is perfect. The combination head outfitted a rubber ruler and a sanding pad. The sanding pad are with dovetail design, easy to slide out or pushed in. The tension beam is welded by manganese steel, which is usually used on engineering machinery. The tension cylinder, size 90 by 50 mm, is definitely a heavy-duty design on the same level of sanding machines. The press system adopts double press ruler structure, and the press ruler diameter is 70 mm to hold the working pieces firmly on the conveyor belt. The press ruler holder is cast steel, and the design is reasonable, easy to adjust. The outfit end of the machine is also wonderful. This is the combination of inverter motor and helical gearbox. The power output is not affected by the feeding speed. Of course, the continuous and stable power output is also an important factor of the sanding precision. This is the cleaning brush of the machine. Its function is for cleaning the panels after sanding. There is another press ruler inside this cover for the smooth outfeeding. Let's see the electrical parts of our machine. We have Delta PLC, Schneider breakers, contactors, and inverter. They are all international brands with worldwide after-sales service. Now let's start the machine to see how it works. Now the machine is fully on. If we touch the machine, we can feel that the feeding is smooth and the vibration is light. Okay, that's all for today's video. If you have any requests about the sanding machine, please let me know. I'm Ren in Qingdao Gentry, your sanding job assistant. See you next time.